Hey, it's David Baer, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles to all of your videos using Vidnami. So here we are inside my Vidnami account, and I have a lot of different types of videos. Sometimes I upload a script and then use slides or videos to play behind the script, but in this case, what I'm going to show you is how you can take a video that you've shot, upload it to Vidnami, and then have the subtitles automatically generated to be added to your video. So to get started, what we do is click the Create New Video, and then there are a few different options here on the left-hand side. What we are looking for is the Influencer Video option. Now you can see Dr. Anthony, who's the founder here of Vidnami, is in all of these various videos, and these are different templates that you can use. So I might pick this one, the viral yellow one. I'll just go ahead and click it. You can get an example of what it looks like here. I'm going to just go ahead and say use this template. Now what you need to do is give it a title, so we'll just call this title, then select a file for upload. It's going to select from my different videos. In this case, I think I have one right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. This, I think, does not have the subtitles yet, although I just generated one with subtitles with the same name, so we'll see in a moment. In any event, what it's going to do is upload it, and then once it's finished uploading, it's going to tell me that it's done and ready for it to be transcribed. And so you'll see that this is going to go bright green in just a moment after it finishes the uploading of the video and then scanning it all. Alright, we're back. It took about a minute or so to do that. This is a fairly short video. So now I'm going to just go ahead and hit transcribe. Now, depending on the language that you're using, this has different variations of English with different accents to be able to sort of pick up on the correct pronunciation. I'm in the US, so I'm going to use US English and hit transcribe. And now this is going to also take several minutes to get through to transcribe the content inside the video. So once again, about a minute or two to get that done. It's all transcribed now. You can see the whole thing here. Now if I want to go ahead and edit anything here, I can. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and hit create scenes, and what it's going to do is it's going to distribute all of that text, that transcript, underneath the video of me talking, and it's broken up into small sections here. So you can see that there's a video that's continuing throughout this entire thing. You can see they're linked together, and sections of the video are there. Now, I usually go through and I edit the highlighted words to find the ones that I want to emphasize in each slide. Sometimes I don't emphasize one at all. And then I'll clean up anything that might have been mistranscribed. I just saw one example here for their flagship. It's actually software that I said. So software, right? And I'll fix that. Here, I see it said offware, right? So I'll just go ahead and clean that up, and I'll go through the rest of the slides, and there's not a ton here that needs to be done. And then once I have this all cleaned up, I'm going to go to the preview, where I'll have the ability to watch it through. And typically what I do at this point is you'll see it in a moment, instead of doing the regular preview where I just watch the whole thing through, I want to pay close attention to the timing of the subtitles. And so what I go into is the manually adjust timing, and then it gives me the ability to slide back and forth where the words change. Now, it usually gets it about 85 or 90% correct, so there's only a few that I need to switch up, but I have the ability to do that here by simply moving the slide to a different spot on the timeline to get the slides or the subtitles to change at the correct moment. After that, all I do is hit looks good, have the video rendered, and then I download it. So fairly straightforward. All you need to do is have a video where you are enunciating clearly enough that it can transcribe your content, put those subtitles on, and then you're good to go. Now, if you don't currently own Vidnami, please check out my review video to find out more about it and to take advantage of one of their two special offers, either a free trial or an immediate 25% discount. Or you can scroll on down and check out the links right below this video to pick one of those options for yourself and get started today with Vidnami. Oh hey, before you go, if you liked the video, hit the like button, and if you got a comment, please leave leave one. And finally, don't forget to subscribe.